Today I wanted to cover a really simple automation that's pretty common, which is receipt scanning to generate an expense report. It's something that's really handy if you've had to do expense reports before. It can be kind of a pain, or if you're someone in an admin position who has to do multiple expense reports. It's nice to be able to put a simple workflow together to do that, and it's something that used to be, and even still, there's hundreds of specialized apps in the app stores that you could download and buy to do this, but you can easily put together a workflow to do it in a more customizable manner for whatever kind of template that you need. So let's just take a quick look. We did this on relay.app. So we'll look at the Relay automation is really simple. It monitors a Google Drive folder and then extracts the receipt that's uploaded to the receipts folder and then extracts the data using GPT-4o-mini and puts it into a spreadsheet. Take a quick look at the spreadsheet. So it's got, I just did a sample expense report here. So we have an expense tracking tab, which is basically our data table that the Relay automation will populate with all the data from the receipts. And then an expense report template that looks more like, a company expense report would, that you would have to fill out. And this just uses formulas to grab the various types of expenses and put them into the proper day and total it up. And then just a receipts folder in the drive. So let's take a quick look at our extract step in the Relay automation. So when we upload the file, it looks for data to extract. So I've put in a structured kind of JSON for which data to pull out of any receipt. The business name, the date and time, receipt number, duration for if it's parking, the items and costs. You could add or subtract stuff here depending on what all data you need and classifications. And then there's instructions for each field, right? So the type, it's got instructions there to classify the expenses according to what type, and that matches up with our expense report so that it'll pull out according to the name of the expense type. So pretty simple automation to put together. Let's do a quick test run. It's on, so I just have a few kind of default or demo receipts on my computer. I'll drop them into the Google Drive here and we'll let it run. We can see the Relay automation has picked up the receipts. So first it's going to run Uber, and I'm sure it'll pick up the other ones. If we want to take a look at the spreadsheet, we'll see those populate in here. Just give it a minute to run through. And there we can see that it's populated all the data from those receipts into the data table, which then pulls into the different dates on the expense report, which has our lunch, which was the burrito bar, parking, and a taxi or Uber. So really simple automation to put together, but really handy and powerful and customizable, easily customizable. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment here or on LinkedIn or visit our website at ops.express. I'm happy to chat with anybody anytime about how automations or AI agents can help make work a little more streamlined and make your life easier. Thanks again. Bye.